Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Belize. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Belize is a Caribbean country located on the northeastern coast of Central America, and the country boasts an active Forex market. Multiple religions, such as Islam, are present in the country of Belize, and Forex brokers who wish to offer their services to local Muslim investors must be able to adhere to Sharia law. What this means for brokerage firms in Belize is that an Islamic Forex trading account must be made available. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Belize can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Belize. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is a CySEC and FCA-regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2011. They have more than 2 million clients worldwide, and you can open a trading account with them by depositing as little as $10 US. As an FXTM client, you will be able to learn, trade, and invest in a low-risk environment with tight spreads, premium quality resources, and personalized investment options. With FXTM, you can trade a variety of metals, stocks, CFDs, indices, Forex pairs, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. This broker is an excellent option if you are interested in copy trading, with 3 flexible accounts to choose from, and we recommend FXTM for any type of trader. FXTM offers 3 types of trading accounts, which are featured on Micro, the Advantage account, and the Advantage Plus account, with low minimum deposits, a variety of tradable instruments, no commission fees on the Micro and Advantage Plus accounts, and tight spreads. All 3 account types can be used as demo versions for you to test out tools and features, with no risks attached. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's proprietary award-winning mobile trading application. Their platforms are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM provides a variety of beginner's guides and trading tutorials. You can use their Learning Center to learn more about trading, how to trade CFDs, how to trade in volatile markets, how to use trading strategies, and so much more. You can also watch webinars and videos conducted by expert traders for more insight into the markets. And you can download their trading ebooks to use as a reference when trading with your FXTM demo accounts, which can be a great educational advantage if you are searching for any additional educational material with FXTM. At number 4 on our list is FBS. FBS is a Forex and CFD broker which is authorized and regulated by the International Financial Services Commission of Belize and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Not only is FBS one of our top-rated, beginner-friendly brokers, but we also recommend trading with them if you are interested in using a send account, trading cryptocurrencies, or copy trading. FBS has more than 23 million clients from over 150 countries, and they have won more than 30 international awards. With FBS, you can enjoy low risk, low cost trading on dozens of currency pairs, indices, stocks, metals, energies, and cryptocurrencies. And there are multiple account types and flexible payment methods to choose from. Featured platforms are available on the FPS Trader platform, as well as the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, which are supported on Windows and mobile applications. Their accounts are provided on Cent, Micro, Standard, Zero Spread, ECN, as well as Crypto and Pro accounts, with swap-free options available on the Cent account, Micro account, Standard account, Zero Spread account, and the ECN account. Each account offers different features and benefits respectively. A demo trading account is also available. FBS also provides their very own Forex analysis panels, informative market overviews, beginner, elementary, intermediate, and experienced Forex guides, a variety of video lessons that delve into various educational topics from opening your account to the use of their platforms, as well as seminars, webinars, and an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational resources with FBS. Coming in at number 3, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. At number 2 on our list is City Index. City Index is an award-winning Forex broker that is authorized and regulated in the United Kingdom and is a subsidiary of StoneX Financial Limited and Gain Capital Holdings Incorporated. They are listed on NASDAQ, and they currently have more than 35 years of industry experience with nearly 300,000 clients from all around the world. City Index offers competitive spreads on all their account types, and there are more than 12,000 indices, shares, Forex pairs, metals, bonds, options and commodities that you can trade on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. In addition to providing updated, in-depth market news with plenty of articles on trending market topics and a variety of educational resources, you will also be able to use a wide range of trading tools, and they offer professional and premium accounts for traders who are ready to take their portfolios to the next level. City Index offers only one type of live trading account, but there are two types of demo accounts you can open and a VIP professional account. The standard account is suitable for all types of traders, including beginners. The minimum deposit required to activate this account is £100. However, your account can be funded using a variety of currencies, including the US dollar and euros. If you are an experienced trader and you are looking for a more personalized experience, with more advanced trading tools and more flexible trading conditions, then we would recommend applying for a professional account. As a City Index client, you will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform and the City Index proprietary trading application. Their mobile application is designed to be beginner-friendly, with all the tools and advanced features that more experienced traders need to take their trading to the next level. It comes with intuitive, configurable charting tools, real-time price alerts, and over 80 technical indicators. This app can also be used on desktops, and you can use it as a demo account first to test out the tools and features offered. With City Index, account holders who want to engage in copy trading can do so through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 supports traders looking to run their own algorithmic programs, and it is also possible to install the third-party software, Expert Advisors, which allows City Index clients to apply the trading signals of others onto their own account. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend opening an account with City Index, because you can open multiple demo accounts, and you will be able to use your demo account for up to 7 weeks. Once you've opened a demo account, you can visit the training section on the website to access a variety of detailed introductory courses, guides on trading strategies, and high-quality courses that are designed for beginners and professional traders respectively. There are many advantages to trading with City Index, but what we like most about them is that they are regulated by multiple top-tier agencies across several jurisdictions, and they offer thousands of tradable instruments with accounts that are suitable for absolute beginners and high-net-worth professionals. City Index has been awarded for having one of the best platforms for active traders, and their professional account could be a great competitive advantage in the markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Belize, we have XTB. XTB is a European broker that was founded in 2002, has offices in 13 countries across the globe, is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority, combines financial services with innovative technology, and supports a wide range of languages. XTB specializes in trading through Forex, indices, commodities, stock CFDs, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard, pro, and Islamic accounts, with up to 1,500 tradable instruments, lower spreads, automated trading, free account setups, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, XStation 5, and XStation mobile applications, which feature integration with NinjaTrader and are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. XTB also provides their very own educational center, which features basic, intermediate, expert, and advanced courses in financial trading that delve into topics such as introductions, lessons in platform functionality, a market news and analysis panel, their very own market calendar, as well as a trader's library for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with XTB. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with Islamic accounts in Belize on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.